Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Realty. Today I'm in the Montclair, which is in Prosper, and I am checking on the custom home build that is behind me. Our Country Homes is doing this build job, and it is a super custom home, which means my clients were able to pick the floor plan. They picked a plan that Our Country has, but you can also bring your own plans if you want, and then they customized it to what they were looking for. So they have, as you can see behind me, they have poured the foundation. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna go walk it and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm really digging this little concrete pathway they put in. That's really nice and thoughtful. Sometimes they pour a driveway, but usually they don't pour the driveway until the end just because they don't want contractors parking on it and oil stains and gets dirty and all that stuff. So, okay, so this plan has a 3-car garage. You've got 2 right here. It's a J swing, right? So that means you drive up the driveway and you have to swing around to get to the 2-car. And then the 1-car is right over here. And then it has a beautiful entryway with double doors. It's going to be gorgeous. Huge front patio, actually. So this is a Mediterranean style home. So it's not like it's going to have the rustic rocking chairs or anything out here, but it's going to be really cute. Very pretty. Okay, so one thing I do want to point out is, remember there were form boards here before. Once they pour the foundation and it dries, they take the form boards off. So you're not going to see them around the house anymore because the foundation has set. They do have tie-ins, the rebar grid work that they do for the foundation prep. They're able to tie into that and twist the rebar and tighten up the foundation if there's any cracks, any big cracks. Little hairline cracks are not a concern. And then these bolts that are sticking up around the perimeter of the entire foundation, they actually tie into the frame of the house. So it makes it extra secure. Okay, so I'm looking around and try to ignore my shadow, but there is a little hairline crack here. That is completely normal, guys. It is really, really difficult to pour a foundation and have 0 cracks here, just because of the kind of clay we have for our grounds. It's not the most conducive and there's lots and lots of movement, but that's okay. You know, as long as we're not seeing giant cracks with big gapes in between them, you know, you could fit a quarter or something more in there. That's not good. But, you know, these little hairline cracks, you can't even fit anything inside of them. They're nothing to worry about. So we've got some bathrooms on this side. You got your secondary bedrooms are going to be all along the side of the house here, and then there's going to be a flex room up in the front. And then I'm actually standing in the living room right now, and then the kitchen will be off to the left, and then the master is back in the corner. And then they've got this gorgeous, huge patio and an awesome pool that's going to be built back here as well. So I can't wait to when this gets a little bit further along so you guys can see the progress, because this house is going to be absolutely stunning. But all the homes out here are super custom, so you're not going to have your cookie cutter homes that you see in all of the other neighborhoods around, which there's nothing wrong with that. But you know, if you have the money and you're able to, as you guys can kind of see in the distance here, all of these homes, they are not alike at all. Very different. But this is beautiful. This looks really, really good. So they've already started, looks like they dropped off your lumber pack, or part of it anyway. So that's good. They should start framing here very quickly. But this foundation should look like frosting on a cake, like fondant frosting, right? Here's another hairline crack that you can kind of see running through. Again, not an issue. Even if they were to pour this, guys, and there were 0 cracks in it, over time, this is going to settle and there would be cracks underneath your flooring. You just would never see it. But when you can start seeing cracks over door jambs and they're widening as they go towards the roof line, that's when you know that it's settled incorrectly and that there's a foundation issue. But, ooh, this is coming along. I cannot wait. Love this plan. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour this week. Short and sweet in these beginning stages, but that's okay. They're gonna get longer as we go on. So up in the coming weeks, we will start to see this frame take shape, and I will be videoing the whole process. So y'all stay tuned so you can see this gorgeous home take form. If you are looking to build in the Collin County area, y'all, specifically Salina and Prosper, that's my jam. Let me be your girl. I will help you out. I will give you this kind of first-class service. Give me a call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom call via the link below. And until next time, y'all, take care. God bless.